It's still sizzling like Rice Krispies, so let's just see how this goes. And yeah, it should be ew. I thought that was water. Hey guys, welcome back to my 4C experience. So as you can see, I'm doing a full product review from the Creme of Nature Aloe and Black Castor Oil range. If you're new here, I do videos called Ratings or Nahhh. Ratings or Nahhh. This is my review card which covers key factors when looking for hair products or collection of products. So yeah, the state of my hair, it's currently in a twist out. These twists have been in 3 weeks, almost 4 weeks. Been no product on it, but there is sweat from my workouts and a lot of like just general build up. So it needs a good wash. The Healthy and Long Fortifying Shampoo is supposed to help smoothen and detangle hair, as well as promote hair length. It's got a smell. I can't put my finger on what the smell is. I thought I'd also come to add, I know I should detangle my hair, but I'm really can't be asked. This is my real life experience, you know? This is what you're here for. I'm not perfect all the time. So the shampoo itself kind of looks like watered down honey. It did lather up really quickly and kind of helped detangle my hair anyway, which is really great because that is what it's supposed to do. However, I do think there are some harsh ingredients in here because what happens next was just pure pain. I'm taking a bit more so I can get into my scalp. Where are my eyes? Where are my eyes? Where are my eyes? I like it. I like it a lot. It is, my hair feels clean without feeling stripped. Definitely feels moisturized and feels a lot softer. It doesn't feel stripped at all. Feels like I've washed with conditioner, so I really like that. That might be the castor oil effect, I don't know. I'm not a chemist person. The strengthening protein treatment has quite a bit of responsibilities, some of which are to restore damaged hair and also help retain noticeable length. Because I've only got this amount, I'm not going to do it in sections. I'm kind of just going to pile it on top and hope for the best. I don't know if you can, ooh. Same smell. I don't know how I'm going to do this without making a mess. Wish me luck. So the protein treatment is very liquidy. I've never had to use something like this before. A lot of the protein treatments I've used in the past have been pudding based or very creamy, not liquidy at all. Decided to follow the instructions to a T, which was basically to shake well, distribute evenly throughout the hair, and then sit under a dryer with medium heat. Do not use a plastic cap, which is very important not to do that, or to try and comb it after it's been dried. Now, what's happening here, I did struggle to use this packet. I think it was really like silly of them to do that. But it foams and that was really weird to me. I don't understand why it's foaming. Can you hear it? It sounds like Rice Krispies. I've got a wide tooth comb. We're just going to take a small bit and see if I can comb it, because if I can't, it feels very dry. So I don't know why I'll be combing it. Yeah, I'm not combing that. It's still sizzling like Rice Krispies, so let's just see how this goes. And yeah, it should be ew. I thought that was water. Oh. Right, so I'm sitting under the hooded dry out with medium heat as recommended. One of my pet peeves is when products drip down my neck, down my face, down my back. It's really annoying to me, and this is exactly what this protein treatment is doing as well. Several things about this that's interesting. So my hair is crispy. It's still damp towards the back, but I couldn't bother to stay underneath this for much longer. I am intrigued by the fact that it's hardened. Again, it's still soft at the back. All of here, like hard as a rock. It's annoyingly sticky, uncomfortably sticky, really sticky. One big tip I would say, if you ever try this or use this product, use it and go into the shower afterwards. That was interesting. Let's get into this first, the protein treatment. So besides the fact that it was dripping down my face and like super sticky when I was using it, when I rinsed out my hair felt clean, like it has a cleaning agent, but it also felt hydrated and restored. So like the curls had bounced back, even though I don't think there was any problem with my curls. I think it complements very, very well. Like if you are going to use the protein treatment, most definitely use the mask right afterwards, because this mask, So the hair mask instantly hydrates hair, restores softness, and improves hair strength and elasticity. I wish I was able to show you me applying it. The mask was creamy. It right now, as I've washed it out, my hair is so soft. It feels right now like the entire range has left my hair feeling moisture. It doesn't feel dry. My hair has been air drying for the last maybe half an hour, 40 minutes, and it doesn't feel dry at all. It feels restored, it feels refreshed, it feels rejuvenated. Everything I want my hair to feel like after I've used some products. So the only thing I hate is the fact that it's in a bottle like this, because it is so thick. That's how thick it is. So can you imagine with my wet hands trying to get this out? It's hard to squeeze. The plastic is really quite hard. And then because it's so thick, I really have to do that. So it's fine because my hands are dry right now and the bottle is dry. But when my hands were wet, doing that, oh, so what I actually should have done, which I just realized now, was take off the cap and just squeeze it out. But I want you to see just how thick it is. Look how thick it is. I'm still squeezing. By the way, you only have to leave this in for like 3 minutes. So this is partly why I hadn't shown you on camera, because it was so quick. So when I rinsed this out, I applied this straight away, and by the time I finished showering, I was able to rinse this out, and Bob's your uncle. The Reconstructing Anti-Breakage Leave-In Conditioner sounds like it should be the holy grail. It's supposed to reduce shedding, prevent breakage, reduce split ends, and control frizz. So it comes out, has no smell. It does come out quite, it's very creamy. It's weird. I wonder why they opted for a spray bottle. It says I should comb it through as well with a wide tooth comb. I mean, it's not wowing me. Maybe I need to oversaturate, I don't know. Yeah, I don't feel like the leave-in conditioner is that exciting. There's nothing special about it. There's no wow factor. So yeah, I'm just gonna flat twist my whole head and then use the last bit, which is a serum. So lastly, the Root Recharge Serum is supposed to promote fuller, thicker, stronger and longer hair, protect your hair against damage when styling, and it's supposed to instantly hydrate your hair and dry scalp. With this, I'm just gonna squeeze some and apply it directly to my scalp. It's a bit more watery than your regular serums. I'm gonna keep using this to see. I can't really tell what it's doing right now. I mean, it's not heavy on my scalp, which is great. It feels kind of relaxing, a bit cooling, but again, I'm not really sure what it's supposed to do right now. It says you can also spread it through the rest of your hair strands, so that is exactly what I'm gonna do. Okay, so let's get into these review cards. For all of the products, I rated the smell the same because it has this kind of medicinal, neutral type smell. I'm not really here for it, but I'm not here for it. It's not horrible, it's just not anything exciting. Okay, so now with the shampoo, it was a great shampoo and I loved it, but I'm extremely worried with how much my eye was burning after the shampoo went in my eye. Shampoo's gone in my eye before and it's never burnt like this. What that tells me is there's chemicals or ingredients in the shampoo, and for that reason alone I just wouldn't buy it again. Okay, so with the protein treatment, out of all of the products, I would definitely say it was my favourite in terms of the purpose, but the packaging, the size, it really just annoyed me because you saw how I was struggling with it. Why did they not decide to put it in a spray bottle? Why is it only, this is the actual size they sell in the shops, so it's like you can, every time you need a protein treatment, you have to buy another one. So I feel like they could have put it in a spray bottle so it makes for better application. I'm not really sure if I'd buy it again just because of that, and also I'm not sure if the quality is good because as that thing entered my mouth, it was disgusting and it tasted vile. Products have accidentally gone in my mouth before and they have never tasted this bad. So with the hair mask, it's a bit of a mixed bag of feelings. I really don't understand why they put it in a bottle instead of a tub. It makes for easier use to just get it in a tub rather than that bottle, because the way I nearly sprained my wrist doesn't make sense. So I gave purpose and quality 3 stars because I used the hair mask in isolation after this video, and I don't know that it has the same impact as it does alongside the protein treatment. So I think it works very well with the protein treatment but not by itself. So maybe it's something they want to consider, I don't know, pairing the two together, because together they're a dynamic duo. In isolation, not so much. For that reason alone is why I probably wouldn't buy it again. The leave-in conditioner was very underwhelming, very mediocre. There wasn't anything exciting about it to point out. I don't understand why they decided to opt for a spray bottle for this product when they should have used a spray bottle for the protein treatment, and maybe use just a regular bottle for the conditioner. I don't know. I wouldn't recommend it. I wouldn't buy it again. It's just you could get better conditioners for the same price. And lastly, with the serum, I don't have much to say on this either, because I feel like this is a product that you need to continue using before you can actually see any benefits or any results from it. So I will be trying this the next time I have braids and making that a part of my braids maintenance routine. So at the moment, I don't know if I will buy it again, but overall this collection is a bit of a mixed bag. I wouldn't recommend the entire collection, but I would recommend certain parts of it. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed today's video, and make sure you don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, like, and all that fun stuff. Take care and God bless.